Okay guys, let's see what do we have here. This is the new Supra. Nice. And okay, I think it's a bargain. 22 Supra. Nice. Yeah, and I'm gonna show you why I think it's bargain, because the front it's both in stuff. Right there. Right there. Yeah. Well, I think at least it is. I don't know. You guys let me know. But this is the crash bar, and this attaches to the body, I believe. So I think it's just bolt in, so you should be able just to bolt it in. Call it good. How is this hood open? Open from the front, from the back, from the side. I don't know if you can even open it. Man. See the rear. Bang. Again, no stickers, no nothing. My gosh. Like, why? Seems like the bumper. Oh, schnitzel. Okay, I see. This can buff out. A little bit of paint. Shouldn't be that bad. Inside. Let's see. Can we get it inside? I think. Yep. There you go. Inside seems pretty clean, with the exception of those parts. Might want to open the driver door because it's sealed pretty good. Good box. Nice and clean. Carbon fiber accents. Oh wow. Oh wow. This is tight. Tight. Here in the back. Here's the trunk. It's wide open. Wow. This seems to be a part of your lights. Wow. Right here. Have an airbag. Airbag on the bottom. There's no keys, no juice, no nothing. But I don't know. I mean, it's okay. I don't know what you guys think. I'm not a big fan of Toyotas. They're nice. I'm not gonna lie. Good quality. Doesn't break that often. That'll be my guess. But you guys let me know down in the comments what you guys think. But yeah, look at this. Pretty nice for 22. Pretty nice. And the brake pedals are kind of nice and sporty, I would say. I mean, the lowers, look at this. This is nice. Good. It's pretty good car for Toyota. Bezos and everything, man. This, yeah. I mean, this is this is BMW right here. This is exactly BMW. Wow. But yeah, have a nice view in the back as well, so it's not that, blocked out like the Camaros or the Corvettes. I don't even know how those people drive those cars. It's crazy to me. But yeah, nice carbon fiber. You have this thing here for your phone, seems like it. Wow. How do you even get out? Wow. Nice. Yeah, damage wise, for us, I don't know. You guys know better than me. So let me know what you guys think. But I really think it's a pretty good deal. Nice. Yeah. Other than a fender, hood, and the front bumper, and whatever you have, crash bar maybe. Not maybe, for sure crash bar. But Other than that, seems like it's pretty good. I don't know if it's me, but this tire shoots out like that, so maybe it's something with the suspension in the back as well. Like seems like it got clipped obviously here. So yeah, maybe suspension in the back. But other than that, yeah, look at it. Yeah, brake lights. Nice. I believe this is a McLaren feature. But other than that, it's not that bad. Not that bad at all. Okay, okay. Let's see for how much it's gonna go. Okay, let's move to the next one.